The slow cookers are an inexpensive appliance for your kitchen that provides you with a splendid chance to make perfect dinners. They are straightforward to use with tech capabilities. A cooker might run hot or slow, drying out the food or making it mushy. It often happens when you purchase a low-quality cooker. If you are looking for an ideal machine that would deliver a properly cooked meal and is simple to use, read this article. We have learned that glass lids are an appropriate thing that enables us to see progress without losing heat. There are many brands and models for slow cookers available in the market. With these criteria, we have reviewed the 7 most versatile products in this article. Our reviews and buying guide will enable you to decide which model best suits you. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best slow cookers in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Quart Programmable Slow Cooker. This cooker combines superior performance and a gorgeous design that will elevate your kitchen decoration. It features a digital timer, an auto-warming mode, and a dishwasher-safe stoneware pot that is big enough to hold family-sized meals. Plus, it requires minimal maintenance to keep a lustrous appearance. This cooker includes an impressive cooking capacity of 8 quarts. Interestingly, this slow cooker shifts to warm settings when cooking time gets completed. You can also select keep warm options. It comprises a glass lid with a lid gasket that makes it comfortable for you to look at the progress of food. The inner parts are dishwasher safe, and you can put them in a microwave oven. Never place the glass lid inside the high temperature, as it will smash quickly. Number 2. Cuisinart MSC 600 Multi-Cooker. This slow cooker is a high-priced unit with 3 programmable functions and a glass lid. Its extra-large blue backlit LCD enables you to read the time and set the temperature at a quick pace. It comprises a glass lid with a cool handle that makes handling comfortable. The steamer rack provides you with a splendid chance to steam the food with ease. It includes automatic keep warm settings, so you don't have to be worried about serving cold dishes at dinner parties. You can use the extra-large steaming rack to steam the vegetables. Steaming is one of the healthy cooking methods as it provides good nutritional value. Use simmer or low settings for the recipes that need a long time for cooking. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Pressure Cooker. When you are going to purchase a slow cooker, never forget this product by Instant Pot. It will never disappoint you as it is a family of brands trusted by millions of cooks. It includes a 7-in-1 system that allows you to cook your food through many amazing options. It comprises 13 smart touch customizable programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more on autopilot. You can cook your food up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. It is designed in such a way that it removes all the errors that can cause harm to your food. The brushed stainless steel exterior is fingerprint resistant that ensures safety and security. Its elegant design is easy to clean. Interestingly, it uses the latest technology with embedded microprocessors, which monitor the temperature and pressure. This additional feature keeps your food warm. It improves the result perfectly. Number 4. Elite Gourmet Digital Slow Cooker. This American test kitchen cooker is present with beneficial features. This product is getting popular because of its convenience. A jumbo oval slow cooker with a timer makes cooking for tender roasts and poultry a breeze. It is the perfect size for turkey's breast or beef roast. Its cool touch handle enables you to transfer it to another place. It is a programmable device and gives you ultimate control of preparing your meal. Put your meal in it and forget about it, because it keeps your food warm. We can wipe the brushed stainless steel heating unit clean with a damp cloth to maintain its pristine appearance. You can easily clean it because of the dishwasher-safe inner pot. Cool touch handles. Number 5. Comfy Rice Slow Cooker. This cooker comprises 12 digital cooking programs that could suit different eating habits, including rice, pasta, soup, stew, sauté, steamed veggies, and a DE function to create as many possibilities as you want, such as cake, yogurt. It is user-friendly with multiple cooking programs and an LED display. It keeps your food warm for about 12 hours, which makes it a hot seller product. It has a 10-cup ultra-capacity non-stick inner pot that can yield a maximum of 10 cups of rice. You can also cook tender dinners with adjustable low and high settings. A portable cool touch handle is convenient and enables you to transfer the cooker. Multifunctional, BPA-free food-grade material. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price. please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.